Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to sync blocks. So let's get started. Create sync block. Start by typing the / command and then type sync to find the sync block option. This will create a sync block indicated by a red border. Add content. Add content to the sync block by creating new blocks or dragging existing blocks into it. Click the copy and sync button to copy the sync block onto your clipboard. You can then paste it anywhere else within your workspace. A drop-down menu will show you everywhere in your workspace where the sync block exists. The original page where it was created will always be listed at the top. Any edits made to the content within a sync block will be instantly reflected across all locations of that particular sync block. Be cautious with making changes that you only want to apply in one location. If you want to unsync a particular instance of a sync block from the rest of its locations, you can open the three-dot menu and click Unsync. Be careful when unsyncing from the original page, as it will erase the sync block. Turning blocks into sync blocks. You can turn any other block into a sync block by using the Turn Into command. This wraps a block in a new sync block for use. That's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!